What's up, guys? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. There's a truck in the background. What's up, guys? Today on the 5150 Gringo Garage, we're going to throw on a thin shade. So I have this 2021 Grey Wolf camper that we bought. Comes well equipped, comes with all kinds of fancy things, but you got to do a lot of stuff yourself, just like thin shade ready. When we first took it out, we realized we couldn't even take a shower without people looking at you. So it don't even come with a thin shade. So I got some thin shades. I'm going to take that off, we're going to put this on, it's going to take about 1 minute. So anyways, you flip your tabs from left to right and then right to left on the bottom. Open that up, get your thin shade out, and you're going to open it up. So first thing is first here, you have this little lip. That's the part that's going to be sliding down. So take your thin shade, slide it up behind the window there, just like that, and then flip those levers. Just like that. And then this part you're going to flip so you can see the rounded part goes towards the bottom. And fit those two in there because these ones have a groove in it. Let me pull it back out. So you want that groove at the bottom, the flat side up. And once that groove is down, flip that, and we should have, get those all opened up, brand new. Look at that, thin shade installed. Alright guys, so that's the quick video on how to install the thin shade. It's just the shade only. If your camper or RV doesn't come thin shade ready or equipped with the thin shade like little bezel that comes around the door, then you could buy that separate. There's videos on that online, but this video was just installing that little shade. Yeah, pretty basic, quick. Took me like what, 30 seconds. You guys could do it. See you on the next video.